How to set back tap or double tap to turn on or turn off dim flashing lights on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, make sure you go back to the main settings page. Once you are back at the main settings page, scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Then we go down and tap on Touch. After that, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on Back Tap. And here you can choose between double tap or triple tap. So I'm going to select double tap. And from the list here, we scroll down, go to the accessibility section and select dim flashing lights. And that's it. So when you want to turn on dim flashing lights, all you have to do is simply double tap at the back here to turn it on, or double tap to switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.